In front of me is HTC U24 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple Layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. Now, if it's ready, you can exit Play Store and go into Settings right away. Following that, select Apps, scroll to hit Default Apps and select Home app. Now to apply iOS Launcher, hit Launcher Pro and wait. As you can see, Apple Layout was successfully applied on my device. If you want to change something about your layout, you can do that by going back to the same Launcher app. If you want to switch back to your default one, go back to the same default app settings, hit Quick Step and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!